How do I find my PayPal account ID? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To find the PayPal account ID, what you can do is you can open up a browser and search for PayPal. Or if you have the application, go ahead and launch the PayPal app in your mobile device. So the first step over here is to log in into your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, now you need to tap on the three horizontal line which you will see in the top left corner. From here, tap on the setting gear icon. Then you need to click on the account option right over here. To check for your account ID, scroll down a little below. There you will see this merchant ID. This is actually your PayPal account ID. If not, you can also check out your PayPal email address. Sometimes, in your PayPal email address, your account ID is used. If you cannot find through it, you can always contact PayPal support. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.